Okay, so I always start by looking to see if an addition or a subtraction is going to be easiest, and if it works, because it's usually easiest to figure that out. And if it works, then we're good. And if it doesn't work, then we move on to maybe multiplication or some other form of sequence generator. So let's look at what's happening between each term here. So if I wanted to think about addition or subtraction, I'd have to subtract 2 to get from 9 to 7. So let's see if that pattern holds true. So if I subtract 2 from 7, I'm going to get 5. If I subtract 2 from 5, I'm going to get 3. So it looks like my pattern holds. So now I'm going to subtract 2 from 3. I'm going to get 1. Subtract 2 from 1. I'm going to get -1. And then subtract 2 from -1. I'm going to get -3. So this time we're subtracting 2. And then the next 3 terms are 1, -1, -3. You go ahead and write those in my table. And then we can go ahead and plot those. And it looks like we're counting by ones again on the y-axis. So 5, 1 would put me right here. 6, -1, and it looks like I'm gonna run out of room. So move this up a little bit. There we go. So 6, -1 would be right here. And then 7, -3 is just going to be off of my picture a little bit, but I think it should work on your graph. This one is definitely looking like it's linear again.